In this video, I'll show you how to install Moodle on your server without the assistance of a system administrator. Log into the Cloud Stick dashboard, then pick the server where you want to install Moodle. Let us go to Accounts and then click on Create Account. Select the option Moodle, then enter a few details such as the email address to which you want to receive SFTP and Moodle login details, the web application name, domain name, system username, SFTP password, public path. Select PHP version, Moodle site title, Moodle admin user and Moodle admin user password, and then click the Add Web Application button at the bottom of the page to get started. Please note, entering database details are not mandatory, since you can leave these fields empty and it will randomly generate the details and add it to your server. Moodle installation can take up to 3 minutes depending on your server's network speed and capacity, which includes disk type, CPU speed, and memory available. I utilized a 1 GB RAM server with 1 CPU core, and I estimate that the Moodle installation will take up to 2 minutes. As soon as the installation is complete, you will receive an email containing SFTP login information and Moodle admin information. The Moodle installation is now complete. If you want your Moodle site to operate with www.domain.com, you may click Add www, otherwise, you can click Cancel. Here, I'm going to add the www. Now the page will ask us to install or activate an SSL certificate. Choose the web application from the drop-down menu. Choose Let's Encrypt Free as the SSL provider, HTTP verification as the authorization method, and both HTTP and HTTPS as the protocol. Then, to initiate the SSL installation, click the Deploy SSL button. To get the website up and running and for a seamless SSL installation, you must point A records to the server IP address in your DNS provider. I am using Cloudflare as name servers because you must ensure that A records link to the server IP address for the root domain and www in your Cloudflare account. As we have successfully installed the SSL certificate, we must change the root in the file config.php. To do so, open the file manager and browse to the Moodle public root, then edit the file config.php to add HTTPS. Then save the file. Let's reload the page to test whether the SSL redirection works. Let us go back to CloudStick dashboard and open Manage SSL. Then click on Update Configuration and change the access method to enable HSTS, then save the configuration. If you are using Cloudflare name servers, you will most likely notice this issue. This error would not be affected if you used another DNS manager. Anyway, let us address the too many redirection error. Log into your Cloudflare dashboard and go to Overview greater than SSL/DLS, then adjust the encryption to full, strict. Now that we've refreshed the Moodle page, we can see that it's working.